Welcome back. 12 News is celebrating Black History Month. Tonight, a lasting tribute to a black judge who led the way in Milwaukee County courts.
Judge Clarence Parrish's daughter explains how her father's tireless work continues in the city. 12 News' Zoe Henry with that story.
On any given day in Milwaukee, there are signs of black excellence and triumph. Velar Phillips, Martin Luther King, and Dr. William Finlayson. Soon to be among them, the late Judge Clarence R. Parrish. One of the first in Milwaukee County to do
a lot of things. Yes.
As his daughter Sheila Parrish Spence tells it,
he was in everything. He was community.
He worked alongside Milwaukee's civil rights history makers.
Judge Val Phillips and others. They were all in law school in Madison at the same time.
On February 8th, 1980, Governor Lee Dreyfus appointed her dad, Judge Clarence Parrish, to Milwaukee County Circuit Court Branch 21. Exactly 1 year later, Parrish became the first black person to win a contested judicial race in Milwaukee County.
The person who ran against him, why do you want to run against Clarence Parrish? He says, because it's a known fact that a black person has never won, but he did.
Judge Parrish built his legacy just inside this building where his law office used to be. Now the city of Milwaukee is looking to acknowledge his impact in the city, renaming this stretch of Teutonia and Center in his honor.
We could go in the morning when he's ready to open up. There'd already be a line of people outside. He was always trying to help someone, regardless of their ethnicity, their education, their income.
And he inspired generations of lawyers, including his daughter, Sheila, a retired Racine County Assistant District Attorney. She now fills her time reviewing papers for college students, working from home as a Milwaukee County Court Commissioner, and telling her dad's story.
I think this is a good legacy, and I wanted that to happen. It will be there long after we're gone, but it will be there.
Remembering a change maker.
He would always say when he was having his speeches, time is short. But memories are long, and people will remember how you helped them.
In Milwaukee, Zoe Henry, WISN 12 News.
Judge Parrish was also the president of the NAACP Milwaukee and one of the founders of the Wisconsin Black Lawyers Association. The honorary street naming will extend along Teutonia Avenue from Center to Clark Streets. A DPW spokesperson says the sign will be installed in about a month.